Hello. Are you interested in making money online? This is an application that is paying people to watch adverts. As you can see, that is so far the money I have earned on this application just watching adverts. This is something anyone can do, and you make some extra income for yourself. As you can see, you watch an advert and earn some money. It is not a lot of money, but it is an extra income for you. Yes, it is an extra income for you. You just watch these adverts and earn yourself some money. Adverts really don't take a lot of time. They just run for some little time, then you earn 200 shillings. You see? So this advert is running and I'm going to earn some money. All you need to do is join the app and start making yourself some money, right? Thank you.